I will catch a small fish in this net. Did Rex snatch all the hot ham? The bad witch cast a spell on him. I stretch and stretch in the soft bed. I must not scratch this small red spot. That chick can stretch its small neck. Dad has a match left in the small box. Can Mick scratch the itch on his back? The men had a match on the wet pitch. That witch hit Jack with a long, thin stick. Stitch that black patch on this pink dress. Mum left a small clutch bag on the bed. Tom got a scratch on his hand with glass. Dan got the last match and lit all the junk. If I fling this thick stick, the dog will fetch it.